new ones that we might have picked up over the season. We're in season number 2. And we're bigger, badder, and better in season number 2. Well, I'm going to give you a little intro, what we're going to be dealing with tonight. Welcome everybody again. We all know that we're in the holiday season. And during the holiday season, sales are going crazy. And, as entrepreneurs, and what we always say at Sanders Consultants, we're a company that want to help entrepreneurs with using technology to improve their business. And we know that one of the most important aspects of any business is sales, be it retail or wholesale sales. That's just one of the underlining meaning of going into business, sales. And we're in the holiday season, and this is sales season. So during this month, we'll be featuring local companies and showing how technology is assisting them in sales during this season. Hi, Joanne, how are you? We missed you. So we're going to be looking at how technology or technological infrastructures can affect, or how it affects the culture, efficiency, and relationship of business and sales. Now, I know you may be wondering, how could technology really help my business? Trust me, it can. Scientists have proven that technology drives productivity, profitability, and a competitive advantage to revamp the sales process. So during this show and during the whole month, and maybe even into the next month, we are going to be looking at different technological softwares, and we're definitely going to be bringing on different companies, and they're going to be talking about the different things they're using to improve their sales, or that, little tricks that they use. So you guys can actually pick up on it. Now, before we get any further, we are going to, pay the bills, as they say. We're going to pay the bills, and we'll be right back to you.
Welcome everybody. How you guys doing?
You didn't let me. You guys, like, he been waiting. Mr. Tech been waiting. He even like the producer.
No.
Too Introduce
slow.
him.
Too slow.
Well, anyway, guys, I'm sure for our new viewers, I'm Catherine, also known as the producer. Look.
I'm Akim.
Mr. Tech. He's the resident expert.
Yeah, so she say.
Okay, so like I was telling our viewers out there, before we get really into it, because this is an interactive show.
Yes.
So if you have any questions about any of the topics we're going to be discussing, we want you to chime in, ask your questions. You might want to know, how can I use this to improve sales or optimize on sales during the holiday season? You can't let the holiday season pass you by and don't try to get that little thing.
I know, right?
Yeah, we need, make sure to get that little thing.
Right.
But that's what we're going to be dealing with today. Entrepreneurs are our target. But also for the layman out there, you can use it if you're thinking, 2019 is coming. I'm going to open a new business. How do I strategize? Is it going to be difficult? What do I do? You guys use our tips. This isn't only for entrepreneurs, but upcoming entrepreneurs, how to start your business. We always going to say start with technology first.
Yeah.
So that's what we're dealing with this month.
Yep.
Yeah. So.
All right. I mean, as a producer, did you tell our audience to like and share the video?
Oh, so the producer's slipping.
Oh, okay. So if you guys haven't done so already, go ahead and like and share this video with your friends. let everybody know exactly what's happening, what we're discussing tonight, what we're discussing this entire month.
Yeah.
Don't be mean. I mean, it's free. Just hit the share button.
Like and share.
That's it. If you guys watching on our Facebook and YouTube, thank you guys so much again for joining with us.
Yeah, we're doing it simultaneously.
We stream it simultaneously to Facebook and to YouTube. So if you have comments, be sure to go ahead and let us know what your questions are in the comment section. We'll bring them up on the screen and answer them to the best of our ability. So we have a nice topic for the month.
Yeah.
How technology will improve your sales.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, there's a lot of hoopla going on that this person wants to start a business and this, that, next thing. And then when you start a business, you'll be like, why aren't nobody coming to me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a good product, but no sales.
I have a good service,
but no sales. I have a good idea, but no sales. You know, so.
That's it we can help you out tonight, especially for the holiday season that's coming up.
And you may have sales, but you're not optimizing on your sales. You know, you could actually trump your sales. So we
What
want
do you mean Trump? Like Donald Trump?
We ain't get into that. I will get much of this show.
Quick.
You know, that's another day for another.
All right. So Trump ain't Donald Trump. No.
Not in this case. Not for this matter.
Okay.
We ain't gonna make this, political.
No.
Sometimes I'm on the other side of the fence. Sometimes.
I know, right?
Yeah. All right. So like we said, this isn't only for entrepreneurs, existing entrepreneurs, for new aspiring entrepreneurs. Please listen out to some of the tips. It's gonna help you in the long run to have a successful business. So, like Mr. Tacker said, share, like the page. You know, it's a plethora of information, and we're willing to give out.
All right. So, you gonna jump in, or do you want to do a quick commercial break?
I think we gotta pay them bills.
All right.
How they say, "Can you pay my bills?"
All right. So
don't sing it,
So we're gonna do a quick commercial break, and then after that. Then we can do some tech news and let's see what's happening in the world today.
Here are a few of the reasons why businesses need IT solutions. It cuts expenses, saving you thousands of dollars in the long term. Automation processes save you hours of manual work. It helps attract hundreds of new customers and keeps your current customers coming back for more. Businesses with IT solutions grow, and businesses without them simply fade away. Don't let this happen to you. Saunders Consultant specializes in IT solutions that fit your company.
All right. And welcome everybody once again. We're just getting into tech news, and we can't do the show without our sponsors, so we want to recognize our sponsors. First sponsor for the night is Saunders Consultants Limited, implementing IT solutions that fit for all your live streaming, all of your audio visual rentals, all of your regular IT needs. Give Saunders Consultants a call today. Tonight's show is also sponsored by Bahamas IPTV and Communication Solution. If you guys cut cable Rev TV yet and pick up an IPTV box, you're doing yourself in disservice. Give them a call today.
And it's football season. They got all those NFL channels.
They have football, basketball, golf, tennis, whatever sports that's there, that's in the season, you'll be able to catch it at no additional cost. Zero. Very, very low, affordable prices. Give them a call today. Tonight's show is also sponsored by Alive. They are the new kid on the block in terms of mobile. So if you haven't already done so, be sure to go ahead and check out Alive for products and services. And on the tech news, next week, that will be Wednesday to next week Friday, is the Grand Bahama Technology Summit. This is their second year doing this tech summit. So if you guys haven't already registered yet, be sure to go ahead and register and make a considered effort to go ahead and attend. But if you can't attend, basically, I think they're going to be live broadcasting that. Yeah. In other tech news, we had Apple and Samsung both fined. Apple was fined $11.4 million, and Samsung was fined at $5.7 million because they intentionally send updates to slow down your devices. Yeah. So you know your good, perfect working phone after you did some updates. Those updates intentionally slow down your phone and encourage you to go ahead and purchase a new one. And guess what? They didn't tell nobody, but they were found, and they were also fined that you can't be doing that. Yeah. Google employees also had a sickout or a strike in regards to their sexual harassment policy. Every Google employee walked off the job, and now they are back on the drawing table now to assist on trying to rectify this. All right, cool. Trying to rectify this policy, this sexual harassment policy. So good job, employees at Google, for making your voice heard. And finally, Science Consultants, we do live streaming events at very, very affordable prices. Great for workshops, seminars, funerals, weddings, sports, education, and much, much more. Give us a call if you need to do a live stream, and we'll be sure to give you our discount. That is it for tech news. And thank you once again to our sponsors. And bring in the producer. All
I
right.
tell him get it right, the producer.
Da.
The
Da.
producer, not the producer.
All right. So, Shara, if you're going to the tech summit.
Sarah.
Sorry, Sarah. Sorry, if you're going to the tech summit, let us know. We won't be there because we have some other engagements next week.
Yeah.
So if we can have ass on the ground, it'd be
Great.
that'd be great.
Yeah, that'd be great.
A great plug for us. You're sending spies in the camp.
Ooh, Tech Thursday spies are out.
All right.
All right.
So,
guys, we're in the meat of it all. We're in the meat of what we're discussing. Like we said, technology has proven to drive productivity, profitability, and a competitive advantage to revamp sales, the whole sales process. I know you guys will be wondering, how can technology make somebody buy something? Or, like, really, we aren't robots. We think, we do our own thinking. I could buy what I want to buy, and technology can't help my business sell more hair or sell more food. Or, trust me, technology can do it. And we have 5 tips that shows how technology could actually improve your sales. Some are software, some are things that you are probably familiar with,
and some things that you're probably not familiar with.
Yeah. So one of the we want you guys to like and share our page, like we said. So one of the tips that we're going to talk about, it's a strategy called big data. Now you may trying to figure out big data. What's that about? I was like, Biggie. It's like rap. It ain't rap. It's not rap music. It ain't no. It ain't a rap star. It ain't no new rap star.
Mm-hmm.
What big data is a software. Go ahead. Oh, it sounds like you want to say something. Go ahead.
It's an analytic tool to
Yeah.
help you, the organization, manage steps in your business and understand exactly what your customer wants and this, that, and the next thing, right?
Yeah, their buying habits and
Right.
stuff.
Their needs and their wants.
Mhm.
And traditionally, it used to be time and labor intensive, right? But now with all of these different analytics and these fast computers that are able to process data more quickly,
Mhm.
the business is able now to make decisions rather quickly and more effectively in trying to strategize on targeting customers and their sales.
Okay, so I'll give an example because some people be like, "What did I do this say?" Okay, so let's say you have a restaurant, right?
Mhm.
What big data would do? It would look at your sales, or would look at the information, input it, and it will say, "Well, on Fridays, it seems as if fried fish sells a lot. It seems like your customers prefer this item more on this particular time, or so then you would know that okay, on Fridays I could produce more food because this is from a restaurant standpoint now.
Mhm,
You
mhm.
could say, okay, Fridays are my best day. I could produce more food, and it seems like I sell out on this day. So this is what this analytical tool is telling me. So let me optimize. And you could also look at well, customers seem like on a Monday they get more healthy food. So on Mondays, let me try to focus my menu more on the health margin.
Right,
That's what big data does.
right,
So in your business, you're not fumbling around trying to figure out like, how am I going to make money? And a very important tool is how not to lose money.
right.
That's all. I wouldn't talk about it. What's happening politically in a 242, but anyway, they must need big data.
Boy.
Excuse me.
Oh boy.
Anyway, I don't want to start something that we can't stop anything. But nonetheless, it's a great tool, and it shows how technology is very important in sales. If you know what is selling, what day it's selling, or what season, it doesn't have to be daily, it can be seasons. If you know the trend, it's more of a like it's a trendish thing they could see and they could tell you and they could feed out and give you information and say, hey, during this season, it seems like your customers, hi Ash, yeah, Joanne, we got to increase sales. You know, this analytical tool will tell you, hey, it seems like um, it's best that you probably sell more red during Valentine's. I mean, it's sort of obvious, but you might not, it may not be obvious, but big data does this. And this is a great tool to have in any business so you can increase sales and definitely don't lose.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
So that's big data. That's one of the tips we would advise any person in business now, any person who wants to start a business. Yeah, this analytical tool it's paramount. It's very important,
Indeed it is.
and it saves all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tip number 2.
Woohoo! We all started over this. I'll let him. I started talking about the other one. He'll start with social media.
All right. So tip number 2 is social media platforms. Um, is given it is allow businesses to attract new customers, also a way for them to engage customers. And this is a vital step in helping with the sales funnel. Social media provides opportunities to say,
You use a new term, sales funnel.
yeah, to shake hands with the customers. You could have different conversations over the products and services that you sell. Unlike the conventional way of just picking up the phone and hey, what you guys offer this and next thing. Social media allows the customers to see exactly what you have to offer, either in video or in photo or even a conversation or let's say somebody asked a question and then somebody read the question and then there was another question spurred after that. then social media allows all of this interaction to happen and allows customers to get a better understanding of what exactly is that you are offering, either when those products and services. So if you're not utilizing social media platforms as
For
a
your sales?
business for your sales, you need to start.
And it's often, research says that with social media, they found that
Hey, Ashley.
hey Ash again, they found that with social media, the sales improve because people are more leaning towards peer reviews.
Yeah.
Rather than saying, oh, let's go to cars, because they do it a lot. Oh, this company, they got this award, and really y'all give out, y'all give out this award, so of course y'all give yourself the award. Y'all are the best SUV,
Fuel efficient.
right? And y'all are the person who's sponsoring. But what social media does is it's peer reviews.
Yeah.
And word of mouth is very important in sales. And for everybody chiming in, we're looking at how technology can improve your sales, especially during this holiday season.
Yep.
Utilize technology to improve your sales. But back to what social media does, the peer review they find is more significant than other reviewers. Because you go on any social media, so a lot of you could see in our photo we have there's so many different ones. And if somebody comes on and say, oh my God, this lipstick, it's gorgeous. And that lipstick it will sell. So utilize social media. For the most part, it's free.
Yep.
It's free,
Yep.
How could you market for free? So it improves sales. And another thing they says, or what is often said with using social media as a tool to improve your sales, great advertising. It's good advertisement. And it's also a way for companies to actually really embrace their clients. It's like your manager may not be able to see you when you walk in the store, but with social media, that manager, if they're watching their social media page, they can actually see their clients who are really using their products, And another good tool with social media is that your sales go internationally.
Yeah.
It's not localized. They said that social media opens up your whole plethora when using it for sales. So all entrepreneurs out there, utilize social media with your sales, especially during this season. You better have a product. You in Nassau. You in Providence. Let's be proper. You in Providence. And somebody in Andres wants something. Because I just saw it today, this lady, she was like, she wanted a cable. And she's like, anybody sell this in Long Island? I was about to say, the weekend is in Nassau. But,
right.
If she can't get in Long Island, hey, I can help you with this service.
Right.
And that's what social media does. It brings the world to your doorstep.
Yep.
Yeah.
At no additional cost.
At no additional cost.
Yep.
None at all. So that's our second tip.
Our third tip is automation.
Yay!
If you are a business owner, or if you go into a business today, in 2018, and that business is not automated, you are going to be very frustrated. You're going to be frustrated because there's a manual process. It's going to eat up your time because the business owner or the business itself doesn't provide efficiency and proficiency at the same time, along with enhancing your experience there at the business. So let's say you go ahead and pay for a product, right? Or let's say you order a product.
Let's use that because a lot of people could be ordering.
Right. So you make the order, then it takes 24 hours for that process to be fulfilled for whatever. It's too long. 24 hours is way too long. The minute you place an order, that should already be fulfilled. It should take about 5 to 10 minutes for it to be fulfilled.
Hey, Joanne.
That's the next thing, right? And then once it's fulfilled, then on the back end, then if this person now needs to go and get it from, let's say, down the road, it shouldn't take 2 hours.
Yeah.
it should be like an automated process to say, when this happens, do this. When that happens, do the next thing. When that happens, do that. If this happens, then stop, and then reevaluate exactly what's happening. It all depends on how the process is supposed to be. But everything is supposed to be very seamless for you, the customer, and for the business owner. Because at the end of the day, it's time, and time is money. So if your business is not automated, then, whew, man, you're missing out a whole lot of profits.
Yes.
A whole lot of profits, and you're going to frustrate the hell out of your clients.
And that's not good. I mean, I'll elaborate some more with this technology. In the industry, it's called SFA. But like, again, we're helping you guys out, so you could always do your search, but it's SFA, so Salesforce Automation. That's the term they use. What this does is it frees up a lot of time for managers. So any entrepreneur out there, and you're wondering, why my business so sluggish? Maybe a manager can't be innovative. They're too busy dealing with automation deals with, especially this is good for like,
Sorry.
Oh, okay. Something a joke I didn't get.
No, it's coming up on the screen.
Okay, automation is good, and I would recommend this for any medical business. The whole government, but
Jesus.
automation is good for any business where you're going to be having, and that's what we should have done. We'll go back to the tips later and say what business we recommend.
You're not the producer no more. You're now the Mistress Tech.
Oh yes, my darling. But automation is really good for businesses. Like, I'll tell any doctor's office do this, where you're gonna have recurring schedules. Any dental office, any medical sort of offices where that person is gonna be constantly coming in.
Yep.
What automation does is they automatically set a reschedule. So let's say you went to get your teeth cleaned. The next 6 weeks or next 6 months or whatever, however it's set up, the system is automatically going to reschedule it, give you a call, and give you an email.
Yeah.
That frees up that frees up your staff from having to, hi, Mistress Gibbs, you guys have a new appointment. Free up the time, free up your managers. Your managers could now be talking about new products. Hey guys, we have a new capacitor in. This is how you use it. Let's be more productive, and things that could be automated. Use that in your business. It saves lots of time, and it helps with recurring, bringing in the same old clients. It really helps.
Yeah, and so even if you need assistance, Joanne is right on that. It does save time. If you need assistance with that, with the automation process, give us a call.
Yeah.
You'll be amazed, and your customers will be amazed and your employees will also be amazed at how much time it frees them up for doing new things instead of doing the same old thing over and over and over.
Having to call clients. And I highly recommend this, like I say, for any medical office, even mechanic stores. When you have to call people in for a service, I mean, that thing is so antiquated right now. You could be doing other stuff other than calling in and telling people come in for your next visit.
Yep.
Entrepreneurs, listen, this is what we recommend this for. You could call us. We could assist you with the software. We could get it to you, saving you on time and saving you on money. And, the more people hear from you, they ain't gonna think about going to no other doctor's office. Charlie, doctor. Turnquest is coming all the time. That's my doctor. So we definitely recommend automation for that type of business.
Yep.
Yeah.
And again, if you need assistance with that, give us a call. Tip number 4, CRM. CRM. CRM means customer relationship management.
And it's cloud-based as well. But we'll go into deeper.
Right. So you could do cloud-based or you could do on-premises. It's entirely up to you.
Right.
With cloud-based, you just need the internet. On-premise, you really don't need the internet per se to fully operate. But it's a tool to help organizations with a holistic view for customer relationship by integrating marketing, sales, and customer support. into this one platform, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what it allows to do is, well, let's say if you guys give us a call and you need some type of tech support, we're able now to create, generate reports, see exactly what's the common trend of issues or what's the latest trends and all that. So that's the information being gathered, and us as business owners now looking at it and now developing now this process to help serve you guys better, to come and provide different opportunities and this and next thing to you, the customers, right? Or even as to provide better opportunities for the business, to generate new sales, because this is a new trend. And these are also our target dates, or these are our goals that we met. Are we meeting them? Are we falling down? Do we need to be approved on this and next thing? So CRM inside a business would allow you to see exactly how well you're doing, how well, what new trends or what new opportunities that you now need to go on and take advantage of based on this information that's being gathered from you.
You know what I find is good for? This technology, this analytical tool is good for banks, and it's also good for like insurance agents. Because what it does, it says this. CRM, I break it down, break it down. CRM, cloud customer relation management, it does this. So let's say you're a banker and you have a client. What this system does is it looks at the client and says, okay, this client came to me in 2012 for a loan for a house, right? Mm-hmm. And they paid off their loan, let's say 4 years, whatever. So now you're seeing now, if you look, guys, you can look at the circle. It's a whole circle. It's a whole thing. You can now say, okay, I'm the branch manager. I'm a manager. Okay, this person did this. They may need a car next. They seem like a good payer. It's a whole circle. So then you can now say, hey, now let me go to this person. Their loan looks like it's clear. Let me go to them for if they want a loan for a car. Or you could say, hey, this person already got a loan for a house. Maybe let me give them, because you know a lot of these companies are connected. Or some companies, like you'll have one company and they have your information, but they actually own like an insurance company. So they'll say this person got a house, and they should be ready for new insurance. Or this type of information is like Mr. Tech said, it's a holistic thing. They look at the whole gamut of strategic planning. They look at how they could get every cent. You want to get every cent you could squeeze out of a person, and this analytical software does it. It looks at the whole gamut of everything. I would recommend this to any insurance company or anybody in insurance. It's a good tool to use.
All right, Joanne, I see you have a question in the comment section. No, we did not have a show last week. Yeah.
We were busy.
Yeah. Hey, Taro.
We should never say we were busy for Tech Thursday, but we're also a tech company, and things happen.
Yeah, we had some projects and all that.
Yeah, so
hey, Berto.
Hey, Berto back.
Yep.
Berto, where you been, Berto? I miss you, Berto. Where you been?
Berto been missing.
Visit in action, eh?
Yeah.
Berto, we need these analytical tools for our viewers. You see when they active or not, eh?
No, we know when they active.
Oh, okay then. Okay.
And this active.
Okay.
Yeah.
But that's a very good tool, like I said. Anybody in insurance, any other thing you say, insurance?
Yeah, I mean any business. Any business can use CRM.
Yeah, any business for true.
Yeah.
And it's off if it's you don't have to be in a location to actually use this. It's cloud based too. So you can use it on your phone. Hey Berto again. But we're going on our 5th tip.
All right. Mobile.
Yeah.
Mobile technology allows you to reach your customers at a fingertip.
At a fingertip.
For customers, the ability to research, evaluate, and purchase products and services online using their technology has transformed the buying experience.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I can pick up my phone and I could do a quick research, I can evaluate, and then I say, you know what, I want to purchase this. And you could do all that from your phone. You don't have to wait until you get behind a computer to say exactly.
Find time to go on your lunch break and run in traffic to try to go to the store, and then you're frustrated and hot because someone almost running your car, and then you won't buy the product no more.
Right.
But in a nice AC office, you could just look at it on your phone.
Right. Or even back in the day when you had to go through catalogs. You see what I'm saying? Like, this ticket number, blah, 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 or this, that, next thing.
Hold on, Berto. You was a real behemoth. You was a real behemoth. You busted upon the scene for 5 hours late. And so we're going to recap just for you, Berto. We missed you a lot, so we're going to recap just for you. Hey, Tara. Tara, teachers could use this too. I mean, they really selling nothing, but take it easy.
Yeah. This Berto said we need to start over.
I'll recap it for you, Berto. Berto, what we're talking about this evening, which we should have done anyway, we are trying to give all entrepreneurs tips, technological tips that could help you with sales. This is the holiday season, and we want everybody to optimize on this time by using technology. There's so many different options and softwares and just things to use to optimize your sales. So that's what we're looking at today. And we'll give you the other 4 that you probably missed.
Yeah. Did you know that 93% of consumers use their mobile devices to make purchases?
Really?
93.
Wow, yeah.
If you guys in the comment section, let us know if you use your cell phone to make purchases. I don't know. Amazon, or your tablet, any mobile device. Let us know if you use your phone or tablet to make purchases online. Let us know in the comment section. I know I do.
I was calling for food. No, that don't count it.
That counts.
Oh, okay, yeah, me.
Yeah, that counts. You know.
Let's call it in.
Yeah, you can call it in, or you can order online.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I can't be waiting too long.
Yeah.
To do these things. So yeah, LOL, he come though. That's true. He come. So does anybody use their mobile devices to order stuff? Well, it has changed. Researchers say it has changed the whole gamut of how shopping is done. So everything, okay. Berto said everything. He orders everything on his mobile device.
That's what I'm talking about right now.
Yeah, it is. It changed the whole
experience.
The whole experience of shopping.
Yep.
You know, especially for Bahamians, we ain't gotta try to fly to what is 305A.
Who's 305?
Miami.
I know.
To shop. We could shop on our phone and feel fancy right here on the 242. But these are tips, and if your company can invest in having a mobile app that people could shop, invest in it. It's going to improve your sales. It's going to improve your sales. You know, if you could have pictures and people know that, hey, they bought this. This is in inventory, so I can buy this real time live. I purchased this. I could pick it up or have it delivered. Your sales will increase during this season. You know, and you could even integrate, if you can't do an app, you know, use social media as much as you can. Use social media as much to promote and have your inventory in stock. If you don't have an app, make sure if someone ordered a dress, you have the medium size. You know, like make sure there. Or make sure that small size there. But the good number. For the mobile app, I mean mobility, it definitely helps in sales. I don't care what business you're doing, it helps.
All right, so let's take a quick break, and then when we come back, then we'll give out some final thoughts.
But we have to recap for Berto when we come back, eh? Berto, we're going to recap it again for you.
Yeah, we just going to take a quick, short commercial break, and then we can come back with a recap. You guys don't move.
You've seen it before, haven't you? PowerPoint presentations that look the same. Truth is, presenters use the default theme so much that they have become cliched, and audiences get bored after the first slide. Don't let this happen to you. Creating amazing presentations that engage audiences take a lot of time and creativity, and we're here to help. Saunders Consultant have built professional and extremely easy-to-use templates that will captivate any audience. Just add or replace text and images. You'll wonder how you ever made it without this. Contact us today. Saunders Consultants specialize in IT solutions that fit your company.
All right,
We're back.
we're back.
We're back. So, like I said, I promise, I'm going to recap all 5 of the technological analytical software that you could use to optimize your sales. Technology drastically improves your sales. If you're doing things the antiquated way, trust me, and you compare it to someone who's using technology, you're going to do well. I mean, just before we get into it, even if it's simple, businesses that accept credit cards make more sales than a business that just doesn't. Because people, they're not carrying around cash anymore. And as simple as you think a credit card is, that's actually technology. That's technology. People ain't carrying around cash anymore. You know? So the tips that we had was, the first one was just no fancy hair in my way. Big data. Big data is an analytical tool, technological analytical tool that looks at different sales processes. So it looks at how much people were buying this during the season. Is it best for you to sell this product during the season? That's big data. The next one, of course, was social media. Social media is a huge tool to use when trying to optimize on sales.
Mm-hmm.
He's going to do the third one. I was doing too much talking.
Automation.
Yeah, automation.
Business automation. Making sure that the processes and everything that would enhance the customer experience is seamless, and it isn't a very frustrated process. Tip number 4 is CRM, customer relationship management. You make sure that you have that tool to really assist in gathering information on your customers and being able now to look at opportunities for your business that you could take advantage of. And number 5 is the mobile technology.
Yeah.
Making sure that you're able to reach your customers able to reach you, and there's a whole lot of interaction and all that that's taking place.
Yeah. So those are tips that we suggest.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Hailey.
Hey, Ali, what's up?
Yeah. M-Tech, eh? All right, so you said we came back.
Yeah, we did a recap.
Oh, we recapped for Birdo.
Birdo, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Birdo is very important tool. It's very important tool. Technology is very important in sales. Those two work hand in hand.
What Ali say?
No, I didn't say that's Birdo.
Oh, what Birdo say, sorry?
He says very important tool.
It's up.
So we want you guys to utilize technology, but like we said, for any entrepreneur or any budding entrepreneur, use these tools. However, we could assist you in developing these tools or integrating these tools in your business. Use these tools to best improve your sales. Because like we say, sales is underlying. Sales is underlying in any business. If you want to have no sales, you must just close shop.
Yeah. So next week, just on the side note, next week, Wednesday, we'll be having Tech Thursday.
Yeah, we doing a little slide to the right, eh?
Yeah, we're doing a little slide to the left.
That's to the left.
Yeah, because we're going backwards a little bit.
Okay.
Anyways, yeah, so Tech Thursday will be next week, Wednesday, instead of next week, Thursday.
Mm-hmm.
But we'll be streaming live an event next week, Thursday. So we will post it on our Facebook page for you guys to participate in as well.
You'll love it. You'll love it.
Yeah.
Say what's up, bro.
Everything good. Make sure you guys like this video and share it with your page. And you guys, if you have any other questions or any comments, please let us know in the comment section or inbox us and let us know. But it was a pleasure talking to you guys tonight. It was
And
always,
giving them tips as
and,
usual, eh?
and always giving you guys tips. And you guys always interacting with us. It's such a good feeling. It's
Yeah.
such a good feeling.
And we know our techers, all of them going to be entrepreneurs in 2019.
Yeah.
And when they entrepreneurs in 2019, we can say good stuff. Y'all can call us and let us know what's happening.
Indeed.
Yep.
Indeed. So see you guys next week, Wednesday. Same time, 8 o'clock.
He called it Webinar Wednesday. Bruno, we gonna need you for that little marketing. We gonna need you for marketing, eh?
Webinar Wednesday.
Oh, yeah, we can use that.
I running with that.
We running with that.
I running with that.
But don't forget, you guys, on Thursday, like we said, we're gonna be on location. We're gonna be sharing it to our page. You guys can still watch. It's a secret.
No, it's not a secret.
Okay, well, elaborate so they may tune in. Definitely
Right.
tune in.
So we live streaming a audio book launch next week, Thursday. For one of our clients. They decided to write a book, a hardcover book, and they also now did an audio book. So this is the first time an audio book release has been done in the Bahamas, as far as I know. And so Saunders Consultants, we're going to be broadcasting that live,
And you guys will be there.
and you guys will be
A part of history.
A part of history.
That's what Tech Thursday does.
Because it's never been done in the Bahamas.
Yeah.
Until next week. So you guys stay tuned. Next week Thursday we'll be live streaming that event. But next week Wednesday, we will have what product call it? Webinar Wednesday.
We'll have Webinar Wednesday, but now we might have a special guest on Wednesday. Like we said, this
Right.
month, we're going to be having different businesses on the show, and they're going to be showcasing, don't forget, they're going to be showcasing their technology. And if you guys do have a business and you want us to showcase it, you guys, we love you guys, our viewers. Hit us up. I'm sure we're gonna find more time for you than anybody else out there.
Indeed.
Hit us up so we can showcase the technology that you're using to increase your sales. We definitely want to, take care of our own before we take care of others. So hit us up. But definitely this month we're gonna have different
companies.
And you guys, if y'all follow us, y'all know who could be on the show at some point this month. Y'all know. Joanne definitely know. That's our favorite. Joanne, your favorite. They're gonna be on shortly, Joanne.
Yeah. You guys stay tuned for the 22nd. That's confirmed for the guest. But we won't let you guys know just yet. But the 22nd, get your questions ready.
Yeah.
We have a special guest, and I think
special guests.
Yeah, we have a few special guests this month, but this is a very special company that just came on the block. We always like the new kid on the block.
We think.
Yeah, we think.
We like new things.
So stay tuned for the 22nd. We should be getting flyers out next week. So I'll be sure that once we send them out, like and share them with your friends, because we want the whole experience to be very dynamic. We don't want it to be static.